Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to remove phone number from Temu. To remove phone number from Temu, first open your Temu application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your Temu's account. Now here you can see your home page. Now tap on You option or your profile icon on the downside. With that, here you can see your profile. Now tap on your profile name on the top. With that, here you can see details regarding your profile. Now tap on a small edit icon near your username. With that, here you can see your details. Now know that if you have already added your phone number, you cannot remove your phone number. You can only have the option of replacing your phone number. So now tap on edit option near the phone number. You'll be able to see edit option like on the Gmail option on my case. After that, you need to enter the phone number with which you want to replace your phone number with. After that, tap on continue. With that, you'll get a verification code on your phone number. Now copy the given verification code and enter the verification code on the given box. After that, your phone number will be verified and you'll be able to replace the phone number. This is how we can remove phone number from Temu. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.